How to easily change your Gmail password. If you're trying to change your email's password but you don't know how to, you can just follow these steps without making any mistakes. So let's get right into it. First, you are going to open your phone settings, and from here you can scroll all the way down until you see Google Services. Tap on Google Services. This will open up your account. And if you have multiple accounts, you can change by tapping this arrow right here. So I'm just going to show you with this account. From here, you can tap on Manage your Google account. And at the very top, you can see different tabs here. Go to the Security tab and scroll just a bit down until you see Passwords right here. You can see Password. Simply tap on Password. And this will ask you for your current password first, because in order to change it, you have to verify that it's you. So just enter your current password. Once you have entered your password, just tap on Next. And here you can enter your new password right here. After you have entered your new password, you can confirm your new password by typing right here. And after you have confirmed your new password, just tap on Change Password right here. And in order to make your password strong, you can use characters, different kind of symbols, and include numbers on your password, so it would be hard to guess. After you do that, simply tap on Change Password and your password will be changed. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.